Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Yadira, and in today's video I do have a Louis Vuitton unboxing to do that I want to share with you. I have a Louis Vuitton x Takashi Murakami to share with you, so let's get into this box that has been sitting in my counter for a few days now, and I am quite excited about this because it feels like a made-to-order sort of piece. I ordered this like so many weeks ago, but it did say that it was going to take some time to fulfill, so it's finally here. So let's get this going. And looks like the tape right here wasn't like pushed on the box, but should be fine because it did have like the shipping labels like on that sort of side, so should be all good. But anyways, they gave me a little shopper bag, and I'm interested to see if I'm gonna get stickers. This would be my fourth Takashi Murakami order that I have done through Louis Vuitton. They were all directly from the website. No, one was through my client advisor, and then the other three, which this would be one of the three, was through the website. I didn't get any stickers. I do know that this particular release, the 2026 Takashi Murakami release, is a 150 monogram anniversary sort of launch, and so because of that, if it doesn't come with any of the fun limited edition pieces, then it might be because of that and not necessarily because it's like Takashi Murakami, right? So here is my little receipt, and I do see the ribbon, which is amazing. I do already have ribbon, and it was a nice sizable ribbon, so now I have another one, and this one looks super cute in this little box. It would be nice if like they stuck like little stickers in here. Of course, this is just like the blank little card here, but anyways, super cute. So actually, let me open this because if you can't tell, I really want stickers, and I can definitely get them from like eBay or something. Nothing in here. Let me just double check. Nothing in the box, which is fine. And last check, which I doubt, nothing in the little shopper bag either. All good. All right, so this little piece, I'm super happy that they decided to come out with this during this 150th anniversary, because whenever they did their Takashi Murakami anniversary release in 2025, this piece was not one that was launched during that whole series. So I'm excited to see little SOG from the sides of the box. All right, cutesy dust bag here. Sort of nervous. Ooh. Wow, this is the white multicolor key clay or key pouch. I think I did see one video that said that she wasn't exactly happy with something in the, oh, it was like in the corner, like one of the little edges wasn't exactly stitched in right. But looking at mine, I mean, it looks fine. I can see the thread more for sure, but I think it's fine overall. Let me do a quick little tour of the back, and then I'll show you the inside. I did bring my monogram one because this is my current key pouch. I mean, my current wallet and key pouch. I do keep my key fob in here. And looking at the craftsmanship, or just kind of comparing, it seems about the same, honestly. Kind of weird. Literally about the same. So just for comparison's sake, yeah, I'm happy with my piece. Now let's move on to the inside. I do kind of see something, but I think it's just me. Anyways, oh, this is precious. So of course, key charm for your keys that I actually never use, or maybe I have used it some bit. The little tag there, the two made in and crafted of tags. The inside is so beautiful. It's like a bright pink. Oh, this is pretty. This is the code. In case you're wondering, this item in the white multicolor, it is M28388. And whew, super happy and excited about this piece. I am literally about to transfer all my stuff in here. And I have 2 cards. I have my debit card, my ID, my insurance card. And I'm gonna put this in here. I have my key fob, so I'm gonna put that off to the side. And then I have a $20 bill. I'm gonna tuck that in there. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I'm gonna keep it. I was kind of debating if I want to get like a bag in this particular multicolor, and I wanted to get one in black, but it just never came across as available. So I don't know. I do already have 2 other pieces from the white multicolor. Ooh, look at this. So precious, so gorgeous. I love all the colors in here. I'm so happy with this. I did bring out my 2. So these are this is actually my complete Takashi Murakami multicolor collection. I literally just have 2 bandeaus in the BB size. This I just got in this. I definitely need to fix on my artsy a little bit better. And my new key pouch. I am so happy. I'm kind of debating if I should possibly hunt down the black version of the key pouch. It's literally the same. It's just in the black background instead of the white multicolor, and see if I can have that in my collection. But I'm very happy that I was able to get at least in this one. And so now I have 3 multicolor pieces. I do have 1 cherry piece, but multicolor wise, this is it in my collection. I was thinking of getting a handbag, and I wanted that to be in the black, but I don't know. I'm kind of hoping that they're gonna just like sprinkle in more Takashi Murakami just like out of thin air. And that would be very special. Let me know if you got anything from the Takashi Murakami release, whether it was the 2026 edition or the 2025 release, or something older from the very first stages. I think it was like in stores for about 8 years or so, something like that. Let me know what that is. I want to thank you so very much for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I hope to see you again in a future video soon. Take care. Goodbye.